Hi, my name is Eva Feldman, and I'm director of the Neural Network for Emerging Therapies. So, Happy New Year. 2023 is upon us. We had a great 2022 in our neural network. We published 38 publications. We had 5 new people join our group, so we're up to a group of 40 scientists. Very excited about that. We won 4 major awards and are conducting 7 clinical trials. And actually, in December, Time Magazine had a special edition on the future of medicine, and our work was the lead in the article on Alzheimer's disease. So, speaking of the future, what does 2023 bring? Well, in terms of our interest in brain health, diet, and diabetes, we are going to continue our current clinical trial and expand that trial, looking at the effect of diet and exercise on people who are overweight and how it affects their cognition and their thinking. Importantly, we're also going to, on those individuals, begin to do MRI imaging of their brains. In individuals who have type 1 diabetes, we're going to continue our work trying to understand what 30 years of type 1 diabetes can do to someone's ability to have a healthy brain and to be able to pursue their normal daily activities. In the basic science laboratory, we've become very interested in continuing our work to try to understand how nerve cells use sugar and fats for energy. And we've actually made a very interesting discovery about how certain cells will use energy, cells known as oligodendrocytes, actually, and they pass that energy to the main brain nerve cells, neurons. And that passage of energy affects how a person thinks. So exciting new discoveries that we believe will lead to therapeutics. And finally, in brain health, we are continuing our stem cell work, which was featured in Time Magazine, and that's the intracranial transplantation of stem cells in the brain, which we have shown in animal models is very effective for correcting cognitive impairment or early Alzheimer's disease. And in the world of ALS, which we're very passionate about, we're going to continue our work on the immune system, understanding how different types of immune blood cells affect the disease, because these are clear targets for therapies. Also, we are going to continue our efforts to make ALS a reportable disease in the state of Michigan, and our efforts on understanding that close intersection between the environment and ALS, and how all of our patients appear to have very high levels of environmental pollutants and pesticides, and we want to understand why and what that means for our patients. And to end, we hope to start a new ALS prevention program. More on that very soon. So please follow our monthly newsletter. Contact me anytime via the website. And if you're interested in a laboratory tour, we are now open for those. And again, let me wish you and your family a very happy new year, healthy 2023, and please be in touch.